In today's video, we're installing the VW T6 red ambient lighting and showing you how it all works. Good morning guys, Tim from Advanced In-Car Technologies, and as I just said, today we are working on this VW T6. It's 2018, doing a few little bits to it, but the one that I'm going to be doing a video of today is the T6 red ambient downlight glow that you've probably seen in like the Passats and Audis and things like that. So I'll just flip the camera around and you can see the interior light cluster here. It's already had some LEDs installed into it, and it's got the map light function, and what we're going to be doing is pulling this out and wiring it up so that we get the two nice red downlights. So I'm just going to quickly walk around to the back of the vehicle, grab part, and there we go. So we have to do a bit of change. So this is from a Passat actually, and you can see the two red ambient lights just there. They're really actually quite bright and quite cool for nighttime driving, so they only activate when the lights are on, or the auto lights are on. So we're going to install this. We're going to drop some new LEDs into here as well, do all the wiring down to the auto light switch, and hopefully halfway through I'm going to show you what it looks like, or how Richard's doing, and then afterwards what it all looks like. So stay tuned. Right, so we're halfway through the interior ambient lighting. Richard has done the bulb upgrade inside. You probably may or may not be able to see them, and there's the ambient lightings there. He's done the necessary changeover for the microphone and also the new wiring loom. That's all been nicely cloth taped and going down there. Richard is just about to, I'll just swing around quickly. Richard has removed the headlight switch and is about to integrate the wiring into said headlight switch so that the ambient lights automatically come on when the exterior lights are on. So what we'll do is we'll let Richard finish up and we will then show you how it all works. Right guys, we're in. So this is the new light panel that has gone in with the new LEDs and how the map lights work, and this is compared to this version here, so hopefully you can see the difference there. It's exactly the same shape. As I said, it's from a Passat, and we've wired it all in so that when the lights are on, the interior ambient light will shine down from here, two little red blips. Obviously being day, you're not going to see it in this video, but it does give a really nice red glow throughout the cabin of the vehicle, and when we put the listing online and all that sort of stuff, I'll try and grab some pictures so that you can see it. So as normal, you've got these nice push buttons that push these lights on. You can change how the lights work and all that sort of business, especially with this light upgrade. So just going to put the lights on. Oh, ignition might be helpful. So lights are on, or even auto lights. It's dark enough in the workshop, so there you go. And then there you go. You can hopefully, if I just pan around, see those red LEDs shining down there. As I said, it's quite a popular modification in the Audi world. It's quite a standard feature, and obviously Passats, and it's starting to hit home in the T5 T6 market. And this will then, just as you can see, probably see it on my hand there, the red glow. It's quite bright and will look pretty tasty once it's at night. Right, so a little bit of the video that I probably should have put in but forgot, and I've had to go back and film it and re-edit it and all this sort of stuff, is I didn't actually show you what it's like at night. So I've got the side lights on in the workshop just so that you can see a little bit. I did put my hand up before, but all the workshop lighting was on. So Richard's just going to turn off the side lights of the workshop. Hopefully you can see those lights glowing there. And if I pan down, there we go. There's my hand. And as we go down, it gets a little bit dimmer, but we've got a really nice glow across the whole of the vehicle. And as you can see, my hand is really well seen. Can see the stereo controls, can see the HVAC stuff and all the other buttons and stuff like that. And again, my hand is just there. It's a really cool upgrade. Ignore the lights down in this portion, because this is, we've just done also footwell lighting and stuff like that. But this is for the W8. W8 is a really cool upgrade that we're now doing or offering in-house. We can sell you a kit that's very specific on how to install it. It's really quite simple. And I just wanted you to get an overview or a feel of what this ambient lighting was like. So if you've got a T6 and you want the interior ambient lighting like you can see up here, I'll just do that so you can see what I'm talking about. then make sure you get in touch with us. We're always happy to help. If you like the video, please like it, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and also hit that bell notification, because then if you get the bell you will then be notified every time we upload a new video. You'll be one of the first people to watch it. We love doing the content, we love showing you doing the work that we're doing. As I said a few weeks ago, we're now changing how we do our videos, making it a bit more personal. We want some great engagement from you guys, and as always, thanks for watching.